Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I'm earning over 12% yield on my ApeCoin. No complicated strategies, just a straightforward process that anyone can follow. First, let's break down what ApeCoin really is. Think of it as a special token that's a part of the Bored Ape ecosystem. You know, those famous NFT apes that you've probably seen online? It's built on Ethereum, and recently they've created something called ApeChain, which is its own network for ApeCoin transactions. Now here's the exciting part. You can currently earn around 12% yield on your ApeCoin when it is on the ApeChain network. And the best part, it's native yield, which means you don't have to keep claiming rewards or doing anything complicated. Your ApeCoin just grows automatically, kind of like a plant that waters itself. Now let me walk you through the process of how I get my ApeCoin onto the ApeChain network to start earning that 12% yield. Step 1. Buy ApeCoin on Coinbase. Step 2. Transfer it to your own wallet. Step 3. Bridge it to ApeChain using the Relay Bridge. The process starts on Coinbase. If you don't have an account, I'll put a referral link in the description. After you set up your account, you simply add funds and buy ApeCoin. Next, we'll transfer to MetaMask. Think of MetaMask as your digital wallet where you have full control of your crypto. From Coinbase, you can transfer your crypto to a different wallet. Get your MetaMask address and transfer your ApeCoin from Coinbase to your MetaMask wallet. Once you have your ApeCoin on MetaMask, the final step is to use the Relay Bridge. This might sound technical, but it is actually pretty simple. It's like moving your ApeCoin from one bank to another, except this new bank gives you that sweet 12% yield. In this case, we're bridging from the Ethereum network to the ApeChain network. To use the bridge, go to the ApeChain Relay Bridge website and select the amount you would like to bridge. Once your bridge is completed, congrats, you are now earning native yield on your ApeCoin. As always, there are a few things to keep in mind. The first consideration is that the yield can vary depending on how many people in ApeCoin are participating. It's like a pie that gets divided among the total amount of ApeCoin on the network. The second consideration is this program is set to run another year, but there is possibility it could be extended further. So what is my game plan? I'm actively staking as much ApeCoin as I can and doing weekly purchases to maximize those compounding gains. I'm already seeing a steady growth in my holdings thanks to that automatic 12% yield. Also, if you have access to a Bored Ape or a Mutant Ape NFT, you can actually boost those yields significantly. In my case, I'm earning an impressive 39% with my Mutant Ape Yacht Club NFT. So that's it. No complicated trading strategies, no constant monitoring, just set it up once and watch your ApeCoin grow. I put all the important links in the description below, including where to check current yields and how to access the bridge. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward crypto tips. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.